Okay, now 视频就放了吧。Okay, let me show you the accessory for the folding wardrobe sliding door locks. This one is for up lowers, and this one have the left and the right. This one is for right. So when you install it, you must. This one is right. You see? For you install it, you must need to check the left and the right, must to distinguish. And one set is need two the uploads. And this one is for the two downloads. You see, two down, two, also two. And this one will have different type. Next live we will introduce maybe. So you can check this one firstly. This also need two. And we need the 4 pieces, the folding hinge. This two 8 pieces. One set we need 8 pieces, the folding hinge. This one, 8 pieces. Also, we need 1 piece champagne hinge, the champagne mode. 1 piece champagne mode. For you can see the video for the open mode. Also, wait a minute. This one, the convenient one. This one convenient is can open 4 doors simultaneously. 4 doors because normally we just can open for the wardrobe. You know when we open one door, it's not easy to open and waste the time. So now we have this one, the folding door. You can one time open the 4 doors, the simultaneously. So 4 doors can open simultaneously, and so the visible surface is very wide. Do you think so? Do you know the meaning? The visible surface is very wide. Yes. So also can waste your time. You don't need to open the door one. Yes. So one time you can open the 4 door. Right? You got my meaning? Yes. So for this one, the advantage is for the aluminum check, right? This for the up aluminum check, and this the bottom down. For this one, advantage is you no need to open the mode. No need the open. Just install your wardrobe. It's okay. No need to open the mode. Sometimes it's not easy to open the mode. You need to ask the workers to open. So this one is no need. And this one also we can two application for the normally we know it's for the wardrobe. And another one also can for the cabinet door. Cabinet door, and sometimes if you want to for 2 door to link, is also okay. So you just need to half set. Just half set. You can link the 2 door for the 2 folding door. And if you want to also same the 4 door link with the wardrobe, also one set is okay. So this have different option for you. I think it is much easier for you. So this one you can for the cabinet, also you can for the wardrobe. It's for many application, I think. And also I want to show you the door height, because for this door we adjust below 2.4 meter the height, because if too high it's not easy to install. Also the capacity is cannot load, you know. So we adjust the for 2.4 meter below. Yes, and for the width, the one door is 30 to 50 cm. For the width, just one door, not four door, one door. The 30 to 50 cm for the width, and the height is below 2.4 meter. Yes. Also, wait a minute. Can you see the video for the 4 doors how to open and close? And we have also will adjust this one. You can install for with the soft close hinge, so the cabinet door and the wardrobe door can soft close. Because our doors is without soft close. If you want soft close, because now soft close is easier to close and the silence, many customer prefer to soft close, so you can use with the hinge, with the soft close function. It's okay, so it's very convenient.